again, another look at that dagger from JJ Helterbrand, TM3. Atid sa inyo ng bagong TM Diskarte SIM. 30 pesos lang. May bagong diskarte ka na. Only 28.5 seconds remaining in what appears to be a Ginebra victory. Lob pass. Alexander sends it home.
That should be the final nail in the coffin, and what a big nail it was.
Ronald Belano getting his shot swatted away by Alexander. And the best Ginebra can do here is just hold on to the ball, but they throw it away. Ginebra will get their fourth straight win. They're on a hot streak here at the home stretch of the elimination round. At si Tubin and Cardona, they refuse to stop going at it.
You know, if you look at the teams, nakikita natin that they're trying to finish strong, still get a couple of points. And why? Because dikit-dikit nga yung mga standings natin. Maaari na itong dalawang team na to mag-tie in some point in this elimination, rather after the classification. Eh yung itong mga points na to, free throws of Macma Cardona, mabilang yan dun sa quotient natin.
That's a good point. It is bumper to bumper sa team standings. You know, the way things have gone, there's no way of predicting what's going to happen.
I can say two things. Air 21 is in the semis. Wellcoat is out of the playoffs.
Those are the only two sure things that we have. And Tronji Aldaba is calling a foul here. Hindi pa tayo tapos dito. Referee Tronji Aldaba called the foul against Mac Cardona while Kagiwa was taking a shot. And the entire Talk and Text squad is filing out.
You know why etong Barangay Ginebra masaya? Because in the first game, ang lamang ng Talk and Text sa Barangay Ginebra, 10 points. Now, if Ginebra can lead by more than 10 points, at least pag nag-tie sila, whether it be for the quarter-final slot, yung Ginebra lamang na kagad sa Talk and Text in terms of quotient. If Mark Kagiwa can make one of these 3 free throws.
Mark Kagiwa was shooting for the win. The way they were reacting to those free throws. So dyan magtatapos ang larong Ginebra Talk and Text. Ginebra winning by 11, 189, getting win number 8 and getting their 4th straight win.
Barangay Ginebra, this is a hot team. If you look at the team standings right now, they have already picked up their 8th win. But the thing is, 8 lang ang talo niyan. Pwede pa yung umabot ng 10 panalo, and now they're watching. They're watching Red Bull. Dahil ang Red Bull, yun pwede nila pa mahabol for an outright, for the knockout semifinal slot.
And let's watch our Gatorade Game Turning Point brought to you by Gatorade. Is it in you?
Now, that was a dagger coming from JJ Helterbrand. All game brilliance from him. Pero itong Talk and Text, gustong humabol nun. Nakashoot ng 3-point shot si JJ.
What a game for